Hello. All over the world, videos are becoming, if not really the first, they are one of the top methods, media you use to promote yourself, your business, everything that goes around it. I'm showing you in here now just a small snapshot of YouTube and how much is in there about videos in email campaigns, in marketing, in many things. So it's being into support, into learning centers, into everything you want to do. So videos are becoming really more than just a hobby or just like to, are becoming kind of necessity, specifically when it comes to promoting, marketing, do a lot of things. In this video, I'm going to show you a few things, but I want you also to know that whether this YouTube page, which is public, we're using it, but anything else inside is used with permission. So let me start by telling you that with Cheers Connect, what you have is an easy, simple to use video recorder. This video recorder, I'm not going to detail it in this video, it's in another area. But what I want to mention is that this video recorder can give you a landscape in like HD format. You can change it to VGA if you want to. So it gives you the ability to change between landscape, VGA, square, even format, if you want to record your videos for specific needs, and even a wide format. And on top of that, what it does, it allows you to use it in a vertical model. So you can go even in a wide or any other element, let's say in HD, and it takes you also into those elements by itself. So the recorder is very nice, and you can use it for different ways. Like now what you're looking at in this video, you're seeing me in the recorder itself, and you see me on the right. So I'm sharing a screen as well at the same time I'm doing the recording in this element by itself. So you can use the same camera in different ways on different interfaces, and you can use the screen also to record a few things at the same time. So that's about the recorder itself. Now let's see what comes next point, where how can we really put this video to work? You can use it into an email message, and you could really, in Cheers Connect, what you could do is that you could really select your recipients. You can put a title, you can select a template out of multiple templates out there. And the template, for example, here is about a webinar. And let's say you want to include the video, you can either insert a video, more than one, even in a single email. And then you can just double click and use any of those videos, whether they are vertical, square, or whatever they are, embed them into your email, and boom, they are out to your recipients. And you can also track them, see some statistics, analytics about your emails, whether they are into an automation campaign, marketing campaign, or into a direct message you're sending out about something to learn, a technical support, a document to share, whatever it is. Moreover, it's not only like that. So let's say you have a video that you can share on social media, you can do everywhere, but also you can put it into a landing page. So when people come to view your video, instead of viewing a plain, simple video for everybody that can see, similar to what goes everywhere, now you have it into a branded landing page for yourself. This page is used by with permission. So the idea is, with Cheers Connect, you have the ability to get along with all the elements of creating the video for any purpose, embedding the video into a mail message, and also sharing that video any way you like, and have a good landing page for that video. Don't hesitate. Go ahead, sign up right now if you're not already a member, or book a meeting with us. We will be more than happy to assist you. There is nothing to lose. There is always something to gain. Have a great day. Thank you very much.